Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit bha benar kam da ka Oswell Suk hila banyo na barok kidukan.
We have already in fact started looking for names. The search committee has already gone through a large number of names. We expect that more and more names will come in. Already, in fact, today in my small briefing with the Chief Secretary, he has already briefed me on certain names that are already coming up. But obviously, we want a very good panel of names so that we are able to come up with a good committee and a committee that will be balanced and at the same time a committee that will be neutral in nature, independent in nature, and obviously effective and be very qualified so that proper report can be brought out. So we're looking at all aspects. We're not closing ourselves into any specific that it should be from state or outside. I think the quality of the qualification of the individual and the capacity of the individual, I think, will be the top criteria for us, and then we'll see, of course, and decide on how to. If there has to be something balanced that has to be made, then we'll look at that aspect also.